In this question, we need to isolate A. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the standard equation of a circle. X minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared. So what we're going to do here is we can see that, okay, what we want to isolate is in this bracket plus another thing, another bracket. So that bracket is easy to take on the other side. Why? Because it's not attached to what we want to isolate. So this side we're going to be left with x minus a squared equals to r squared. Because here we had a plus, now we're going to send that side to become a minus y minus b squared. You see, so we send this thing to the other side of the equation. It was a plus on the left, it becomes a minus on the right. Now we need to remove the square. Remember, ladies and gents, we remove the square by square rooting both sides. So we're going to have x minus a, and then we square that, which is equals to square root r squared minus y minus b squared. And remember, when you square root on this side, you must put plus minus. All right, awesome. And then now we are left with x minus a, because the square root and the square will cancel each other, which is equals to plus minus square root of r squared minus into y minus b close bracket squared. Now I'm solving for a. So what I'm going to do here is, I see that my a is negative, so I'm going to send it this side, which means I must send this guy to the other side. So I'm going to have x, this will be still plus minus, it's going to be minus plus. So basically this sign will be a minus when it comes that side, this sign will be a plus which when it comes that side, so it's still plus minus. So it's plus minus r squared minus into y minus b all squared equals to a. And that marks the end of our video. So to isolate a, this is the algebraic steps we have followed. If you understood this better and it makes more sense to you, please, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to share with family and friends. Aluta continua.